If you have children, you may want to think about putting together an estate plan. Well, Jessica Jax, St. Louis Regional Manager of TuckerAllen, is here to help us with that. So first things first, why is estate planning so important for families?
Well, I think as parents, we do a million things every day to try and take care of our kids. And having an estate plan in place is sort of the ultimate way to make sure that if something, God forbid, were to happen to you, that your kids will be taken care of, both financially and emotionally.
Yeah, that makes total sense. So why now? Because it's kind of a daunting, strange thing to think about.
Sure. So, I think as a parent, you should always have an estate plan. And if you don't have one, you should get one as soon as possible. And the reasons for that are you have to tell your family what your wishes are. You have to appoint the people you want to take care of your kids. Not only those decisions about where should they go to school and how should their homework get done, but also who will control the assets that you leave for them? Most of us as parents really don't want our children to inherit that money right away. I certainly wouldn't.
Sure.
And so, we pick a person that we trust and we say, here's kind of what our wishes are and how we would want you to use those resources for our children. So in my mind, it's almost like buying a life insurance policy. For my clients, I really hope that if you create an estate plan as a young parent or a parent of young children, that it's never used. That's my hope as a mom, but we never know what will happen. And so because of that, it's really just a responsible thing to do as a parent, just probably more responsible than the shoes you just bought for back to school.
And it's especially important, as you kind of touched on, if you have a child who's under 18.
Absolutely. I think as a mom of young kids, I'm particularly sensitive to that issue because kids can't obviously live on their own or take care of themselves if they're under the age of majority. And so when you do have kids who are under 18, you have to make sure that you've chosen the people you trust to sort of carry on if, God forbid, something does happen.
Right, exactly. And as far as what TuckerAllen offers?
Sure. So TuckerAllen is a law firm that does only estate planning, and we really have created our entire firm with the idea of making estate planning as easy as possible for our clients. We know that not everybody is really excited to necessarily go face their mortality and get this to-do done. And so we have placed offices around the metro area. We have fixed pricing online, so people know what they're getting into.
Yeah, so to create a will or trust, you can contact TuckerAllen. You can go online to tuckerallen.com/parents or give them a call. Thank you so much, Jessica. I really appreciate it.